Imagine plugging in just a monitor, and your entire computer is already in your keyboard. No bulky CPU, no messy cables, no big desktop tower. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of keyboards with a PC inside, compact, powerful, and surprisingly practical devices that are changing how we think about personal computers. Let's get started. A keyboard computer is exactly what it sounds like, a fully functional PC built directly into a keyboard. Inside this device, you don't just find keys and circuits, you get a processor, RAM, storage, and built-in ports like USB, HDMI, and sometimes even Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So when you connect it to a display and a power source, you instantly have a complete working computer. Now, this idea isn't entirely new. Retro computers like the legendary Commodore 64 and the early ZX Spectrum machines used a very similar all-in-one concept, but modern technology has made today's versions so much more compact, powerful, and incredibly affordable. Instead of a clunky plastic shell, we're talking about sleek, modern designs that fit right into any setup. They've taken a classic idea and supercharged it for the 21st century. So, what are some of the most popular examples you can find today? Topping the list is the Raspberry Pi 400. This is a powerful little computer running on Linux, all packed inside a stylish keyboard. It includes a quad-core ARM processor, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple ports. All you have to do is plug in a monitor, a mouse, and power, and you are good to go. It's become a favorite for hobbyists, students, and coders. Beyond the Pi, you can also find various mini PC keyboards from different manufacturers, often running Windows. These are designed to turn any TV or monitor into a fully fledged desktop computer for work or media streaming, and for the real enthusiasts. There's a huge community of DIY builders creating their own custom keyboard computers. You can find some truly innovative and powerful custom builds on YouTube, showing just how far you can push this form factor. So how does an entire computer actually fit inside something as thin as a keyboard? It's a marvel of modern engineering. Inside the keyboard casing, designers strategically install a very compact motherboard, which is the brain of the operation. To handle the heat generated by the processor, they use passive cooling systems like heat spreaders, which efficiently dissipate warmth without needing noisy fans. For storage, they use embedded solutions like SSDs or eMMC chips, which are both fast and tiny. And finally, specialized power regulation circuits manage the electricity flow to all these components. Instead of separating the computer and the keyboard into two different boxes, everything sits neatly together right beneath the keys. But it doesn't stop there. Some advanced models even come with extra features packed in. You might find built-in speakers for basic audio, integrated touchpads that eliminate the need for a separate mouse, or even expandable storage slots for SD cards to add more space. Plus, they offer great flexibility, with models supporting popular operating systems like Windows or various flavors of Linux. So where would you actually use one of these? The real-world applications are surprisingly diverse. They are absolutely perfect for students and educational labs. Imagine a computer lab where schools only need to provide monitors. Students just bring their lightweight keyboard PC. No more heavy CPUs, no complicated setups, no cable mess. It's incredibly cost-efficient and saves a massive amount of space. They are also a fantastic tool for anyone learning to code or work on programming projects. For office use, they help create an ultra-clean desk setup with minimal clutter. They're also great as portable travel computers. Just throw it in your bag with a portable monitor and you have a workstation anywhere. And for the DIY and robotics enthusiasts, They serve as the perfect control center for smart home projects and other custom creations. Let's quickly break down the biggest advantages first. They are super compact. This is their main selling point. They save an enormous amount of desk space, giving you a minimalist, clean workspace. Second, they are incredibly easy to carry and travel with. Third, they have much lower power consumption compared to a traditional desktop, which is great for your electricity bill. Fourth, you get way fewer cables and clutter. Fifth, they are an excellent, affordable gateway for learning programming and electronics. And finally, they are generally much more affordable than a full-sized desktop. For basic tasks like web browsing, office work, coding, and media playback, they are more than powerful enough. But of course, they're not perfect. It's important to understand their limitations, first and foremost. These are not for heavy gaming. Their integrated graphics just can't handle modern, demanding AA titles. They have limited GPU power overall, so video editing or intensive 3D modeling is also out of the question. They also tend to have fewer ports than a full-tower PC, which might be a problem if you need to connect lots of peripherals. And finally, there are minimal hardware upgrade options. You can't just swap out the CPU or add a new graphics card. These devices are designed for efficiency and portability, not extreme performance. So what does the future hold for keyboard PCs? The potential is really exciting. In the near future, we could see AI-powered keyboard PCs with dedicated neural processing units to speed up intelligent tasks. Imagine foldable or modular designs that are even more portable. We might even see models with built-in, flexible displays, creating a true all-in-one laptop alternative. Cloud-enhanced performance could offload heavy tasks to powerful remote servers, overcoming local hardware limitations, and with integrated voice assistance. You could control your entire computer just by speaking to your keyboard. We're steadily heading toward a world of ultra-compact, ambient computing, and these fascinating devices are a huge part of that journey. So, what do you think? Would you use a keyboard with a PC inside? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.